calm but powerful tone. Ladies and gentlemen, the legend has returned. This is the all-new Ferrari 849 Testarossa, making its world premiere right here, right now. Close-up, aggressive headlights. Back in the 80s, the Testarossa was a true icon. And today, Ferrari brings it back, reimagined for the future, sharper, faster, and more breathtaking than ever. Engine revs, rear exhaust flames. Under the hood, a mighty hybrid V12, producing a jaw-dropping 849 horsepower. Top speed, around 350 kilometers per hour. 0 to 60, just 2.5 seconds. Lightning quick. Interior shot, futuristic cockpit, carbon fiber. Step inside, and you're greeted with Ferrari's new driver-focused cockpit. Digital displays, carbon fiber detailing, and state-of-the-art AI driver assist. It's luxury, with pure motorsport DNA. Track shots, car flying past at speed, energetic. This isn't just a car, it's the rebirth of a legend. A machine crafted to dominate both road and track, with elegance only Ferrari can deliver. Final shot. Ferrari logo glowing, car stops dramatically. Deep tone, cinematic. The Ferrari 849 Testarossa. The dream returns. Would you have this Italian beast in your garage?